I've been hearing a crazy sound down by the pond and I have no idea what it is. All I can equate it to is the quacking of a duck or when a player talks in Animal Crossing. Also, every time I get near the sound, it completely stops. Let's figure this out. The sound is loudest at the end of this beaver dam, so I crossed it, and I never could have guessed what I'd find on the other side. Frogs, 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 frogs on frogs on frogs. It is utter mayhem out here, and the only questions I guess I have left are, why are these frogs in a wrestling match, and why is there so much boba in the water?